Advantages and disadvantages of being lenient. Seeing the good and bad sides. Being lenient, like being strict or moderate, has both good and bad points depending on the situation and what you want to achieve. Here's a fair look at the good and bad sides of being lenient. Good sides of being lenient. 1. Allows for flexibility. Being lenient means being flexible with rules, which can help understand individual situations and exceptions. Flexibility can encourage creativity, innovation, and adaptability in different situations. 2. Encourages growth and learning. Being lenient can create a supportive environment where people feel encouraged to take risks, learn from mistakes, and grow personally and professionally. Leniency can foster a growth mindset by letting people explore new ideas without fear of harsh consequences. 3. Build trust and relationships. Lenient individuals or leaders can build trust and rapport by showing understanding, empathy, and compassion. Trust is important for healthy relationships, teamwork, and collaboration, which can be strengthened through a lenient approach. 4. Reduces stress and conflict. A lenient attitude can reduce stress, anxiety, and conflicts by creating a more relaxed and harmonious environment. By avoiding strict rules and enforcement, leniency can promote a positive and inclusive atmosphere. Bad sides of being lenient. 1. Risk of exploitation. Being too lenient might lead to people taking advantage of the leniency, ignoring rules, and not meeting expectations. Lack of accountability and consequences can create a culture of complacency and entitlement. 2. Inconsistent standards. Too much leniency can result in inconsistent behavior and performance standards, causing confusion and unfairness. Without clear boundaries, leniency can compromise the integrity and effectiveness of rules. 3. Impact and productivity. Excessive leniency can hinder productivity, efficiency, and goal achievement by allowing for low accountability. Without proper guidance, leniency can lead to underperformance and lack of motivation. 4. Missed opportunities for growth. While leniency can promote growth, too much leniency can shield individuals from challenges, limiting their development. Balancing leniency and accountability is important to ensure growth opportunities and self improvement. In summary, being lenient has benefits like promoting flexibility, growth, trust, and reduced conflict. However, it also poses risk of exploitation, inconsistent standards, productivity issues, and missed growth opportunities. Finding a balance between leniency and accountability is key to leveraging the benefits of leniency while minimizing its downsides.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos and take care always. Bye.